Good morning, students. I am again with you with the next part of the NEET 2007 PYQ Biology Solved Question Paper. I am Meenu from KGMU. Let's get started. Today we are gonna to do analysis of the previous year question paper and also the solution of the paper. What is common between parrot, platypus and kangaroo? Homeothermy, toothless jaws, functional post-anal tail of oviparity. So here common feature is the homeothermy. Which one of the following is being utilized as a source of biodiesel in the Indian countryside? So euphorbia is a source of biodiesel in the Indian countryside. In which of the following the BOD biochemical oxygen demand of sewage, distillery effluent, paper mill effluent and sugar mill effluent have been arranged in ascending order? So here sewage and distillery effluent, then sewage is less than distillery effluent is less than paper mill effluent, and paper mill effluent is less than sugar mill effluent. So here correct option is the option number D. So in the human, female menstruation can be deferred by the administration of, so menstruation can be deferred with the administration of combination of estrogen and progesterone. Select the correct statement from the following. Darwinian variations are small and directionless. Fitness is the end result of the ability to adapt and get selected by nature. All mammals except whales and camels have 7 cervical vertebrae. Mutations are random and directionless. So the correct option is option number B. Fitness, survival of the fittest, is a result of selection and proliferation of only those organisms which were most suitably adapted to the environment and get selected by nature. Two plants can be conclusively said to belong to the same species if they can reproduce freely with each other and form seeds. Okay. So let's see next question. A sequential expression of a set of human genes occurs when a steroid molecule binds through the DNA sequences. So tell me the answer. What would be the right? So the right answer would be the DNA sequences. The steroid hormone receptor protein complex activate transcription of target gene by binding to specific DNA sequences. In a coal-fired power plant, electrostatic precipitators are installed to control emission of SPM. So, electrostatic precipitators are widely used in power plants and these remove the particulate matters. Probiotics are living microbial food supplements. Which of pair of the following belongs to the Basidiomycetes? So, bird's nest fungi and puffballs belongs to the Basidiomycetes. Okay. Let's see the next question. Spore dissemination in some liverworts is added by Elateris, Indusium, Calyptra, peristome teeth. So these are added by Elateris. Okay, so let's see next question. A person who is on a long hunger strike and is surviving only on water will have more sodium in his urine. Tell me the option in the correct comment box. Okay, so option number A would be correct, because the normal concentration of sodium in the blood plasma is 150 milliequivalent per liter, and if the level drops below 120 milliequivalent per liter, the result may be lethargy, coma, or death. Unlike deficiencies of other important fluid constituents, the most common cause of drop in sodium concentration is not nutritional deficit of sodium but rather an excess of water. Okay, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Abscisic acid, stomatal closure. This is right. Gibberellic acid, leaf fall. This is not right. Cytokinin, cell division, correct. Indolacetic acid, correct. So here gibberellins help in cell growth of stem and leaves and other aerial parts, not leaf fall. It helps in growth of the stem, leaves and other aerial parts. A common test to find the genotype of a hybrid is crossing of 1F2 progeny with male parent, crossing of 1F2 progeny with female parent, studying the sexual behavior of F1 progeny, crossing of one F1 progeny with male parent. So here what is the correct option? Please tell me in the comment box. So correct option is crossing of one F1 progeny with male parent. Okay, so test crossing of F1 progeny to the recessive parent is used to find the genotype of the progeny. Which one of the following is a matching pair of a body feature and the animal possessing it? Post-anal matching pair. Post-anal tail octopus, not correct. Ventral central nervous system is correct because this is found in the leech. And pharyngeal gill slits also not correct. Ventral heart scorpion, not correct. So the correct option is option number B, because the nervous system of leech consisting of ventral central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. So let's see next question. Which one of the following pairs are correctly matched? Crocodile, four-chambered heart, sea urchin, Parapodia, Opelia, metagenesis, lemur, thecodont. So crocodile, four-chambered, correct. Sea urchin, Parapodia is not correct. Obelia, metagenesis occurs, correct. Lemur, thecodont, this is also correct. So option number A is the correct. If you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? So we are looking serum globulins for the confirmatory evidence of the deficiency of antibodies in a person. Okay, a person is having problems with calcium and phosphorus metabolism in his body. Which one of the following glands may not be functioning properly? So parathyroid gland is not functioning properly because the parathormone secreted by parathyroid gland regulates the calcium and phosphate balance between the blood and other tissues. What is true about Nereis, scorpion, cockroach and silverfish? So none of them are aquatic because they all have jointed appendages and they all possess dorsal heart also, and they all belongs to the same phylum. So the true thing will be none of them is aquatic, because there is a different thing in all, because Nereis is from Annelida phylum, so this would be incorrect. This also would be incorrect because Nereis have ventral heart and scorpion and cockroach have paired jointed appendages. Okay, so let's see the next question. The finches of Galapagos Island provide an evidence in favor of biogeographical evolution. Darwin finches of Galapagos Island had common ancestor later on who beaks modified according to their feed habit. These provide evidence of geographical distribution. Two cells A and B are contagious. Cell A has osmotic pressure 10 atmosphere, target pressure 7 atm, and diffusion pressure deficit is 3 atmosphere. So cell B has osmotic pressure is 8 atm, target pressure 3 atm, and DPD is 5 atm. So the result will be, so here they have asked about the movement. So water moves from lower DPD to the higher DPD. DPD means diffusion pressure deficit. So lower DPD to the higher DPD. So lower DPD has 3 atm and higher 5 atms. So water will be moved to the cell A to the cell B. Which one of the following elements is not an essential micronutrient for plant growth? Manganese, zinc, copper, calcium. So calcium is not a micronutrient. This is a macronutrient for plant growth. It is constituent of middle lamella, activator of enzymes connected with the chromosome formation and many aspects of metabolism. Male gamete in angiosperms are formed by the division of microspore generative cell, vegetative cell, microspore mother cell. So male gamete is the formed by the division of generative cell. Okay, before pollination the pollen grain cytoplasm divides in generative cell and vegetative cell. The generative cell divides to form two male gametes. Okay, which one of the following is surrounded by the callose wall? So microscope mother cell, not male gamete, egg, pollen grain. So pollen grain is surrounded by callose wall. Okay, the wall of the pollen mother cell is deposited by callose. So what is the correct option? Sorry, this is not correct. Option number A is correct, microspore mother cell. Okay, let's see the next question. Which one of the following statements about mycoplasma is wrong? Wrong statement they have asked. So they are PPLO, right? Pleomorphic, they are sensitive to penicillin, they are pleomorphic, right? They cause disease in plants, right? They are sensitive to penicillin. This is not right, because mycoplasma are cell wall less bacteria. They don't contain cell wall. So penicillin or other antibiotics don't act to this, because this is resistant to the antibiotics. Okay, so the correct option is option number C. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following is not a bioindicator of water pollution? Sludge worms, bloodworms, sewage fungus, stone files. So stone files are not a bioindicator of water pollution, because stone files belong to order Plecoptera of class Insecta, which has the terrestrial mandibules. Select the wrong statement from the following. Both chloroplast and mitochondria contain an inner and outer membrane. Correct. The chloroplast and mitochondria have internal compartment. The thylakoid space bounded by the thylakoid membrane. This is not correct. Both chloroplast and mitochondria contain DNA. Correct. The chloroplast are generally much larger than mitochondria. This is also correct. So here correct option would be the option number B, because they have asked to find wrong statement. So let's see next question. Which one of the following pairs of organisms are exotic species introduced in India? So exotic species is ficus and lantana camara. Lantana camara, water hyacinth, prosopis cinerea, Neela perch, ficus religiosa. So option number C is correct because water hyacinth and prosopis cinerea are the exotic species, and here water hyacinth and lantana camara both are the same because lantana camara is the scientific name of the water hyacinth. So let's see next question. Which one of the following statement is correct? Stem cells are specialized cells. There is no evidence of existence of gills during embryogenesis of mammals. All plant and animal cells are totipotent. Ontogeny repeats phylogeny. So they have to find correct statement. So correct statement is the option number D. Ontogeny repeats phylogeny because this is a rule or concept. Recapitulation theory or biogenetic law states that ontogeny means development. Embryo means development of embryo, and repeats phylogeny means ancestral sequences. Phylogeny means ancestral sequences. Okay, so let's see the next question. Next question is Bowman's gland are located in the proximal end of the urinary vestibule, anterior pituitary, female reproductive system of cockroach, olfactory epithelium of our nose. So Bowman's glands are located in the olfactory epithelium of our nose because many olfactory glands, Bowman's glands, occurs below the olfactory epithelium that secrete mucus over the epithelium to keep it moist. So see the next question. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for responsiveness to touch, interaction with the environment, and progressive evolution, reproduction, growth, and movement. So correct option would be option number A. Compared to the bull and bullock is docile because of higher levels of thyroxine, higher levels of cortisol, lower levels of blood testosterone, lower levels of adrenaline or non-adrenaline in its blood. So the correct option would be option number C, lower levels of blood testosterone, because testes are degenerated in bullock, due to which testosterone level in blood is reduced. This hormone promotes the growth of many body tissues such as muscles. What is common to whale, seal, and shark? Seasonal migration, thick subcutaneous fat, convergent evolution, homeothermy. So common thing between all these is convergent evolution, because distantly related animals such as whale, seal, and shark inhabiting similar habitats often develop similar morphological features that make them look similar. This is termed adaptive convergence or convergent evolution. All enzymes of TCA cycle are located in the mitochondrial matrix except one, which is located in inner mitochondrial membranes in eukaryotes and in cytosol. In prokaryotes, this enzyme is succinate hydrogenase. Okay, what do you think about this? Tell me in the comment box. So about this succinate hydrogenase enzyme is represent on the inner membrane of mitochondria and catalyzed the oxidation of succinate to fumarate. Which one of the following pairs of structures distinguishes a nerve cell from other types of cell? Perikaryon and dendrites, vacuoles and fibers, flagellum and medullary sheath, nucleus and mitochondria. So the correct option is perikaryon and dendrites. Because the nerve cell consists of cell body known as perikaryon and containing the nucleus, nucleus granules, dendrites and axon. These are specialized cells. Ultrasound of how much frequency is beamed in human body for sonography. So 1 to 15 megahertz is a range of the frequency beamed in human body for sonography. Biological organization starts with submicroscopic molecular level, cellular level, organismic level, atomic level. So it starts with the submicroscopic molecular levels. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Methanogens, gobar's gas, correct. Yeast, ethanol, correct. Streptomyces, antibiotic, correct. Coliforms, vinegar. So this would be incorrect because all are the except this correct. So coliforms are defined as aerobic and facultative anaerobe gram negative non-endospore forming rod-shaped bacteria that ferment lactose to form gas. Coliforms forms lactose to form gas, not vinegar. Okay, so here the correct option would be option number D. Let's see the next question. In pea plants, yellow seeds are dominant to green if a heterozygous yellow seeded plant is crossed with a green seeded plant. What ratio of yellow and green seeded plants would you expect in F1 generation? So in the F1 generation, the ratio would be 50 to 50 because if we do cross of the yellow and green, so let's see, and green is, if we do the cross of these, so then okay, so here we will get 50% yellow and also 50% green. So this is 50% green and this is the 50% yellow. Okay, so let's see the next question. Adaptive radiation refers to what? Adaptations due to geographical isolation, evolution of different species from a common ancestor, migration of members of a species to different geographical areas, power of adaptation in an individual to a variety of environments. So here the correct option would be, tell me in the comment box what is the correct option. So correct option would be evolution of different species from a common ancestor, because adaptive radiation is the development of different functional structures from a common ancestor form. So let's see the next question. If the mean and the median pertaining to a certain character of a population are the same value, the following is the most likely to occur: a normal distribution, bimodal distribution, T-shaped curve, a skewed curve. So Here the most likely to occur is a normal distribution, because for a normal distribution the mean and median and mode are actually equivalent. Okay, so let's see the next question. When two species of different genealogy come to resemble each other as a result of adaptation, the phenomena is termed as divergent evolution, microevolution, coevolution, convergent evolution. So the correct option is option number D. This is called convergent evolution. In convergent evolution, lineages show similar morphology under the influence of similar environmental factors. Okay, which one of the following is a fat soluble vitamin and its related deficiency disease? So the fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K, and except A, D, E, and K, all are the water soluble vitamins. So here only retinol, which is vitamin A, is the fat soluble vitamin. So the correct option would be retinol, and its deficiency disease is xerophthalmia. ICBN stands for Indian Congress of Biological Names. Incorrect. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Absolutely correct. International Congress of Biological. Incorrect. Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Incorrect. If you are asked to classify the various algae into distinct groups, which one of the following characters you should choose? Types of pigments present in the cells, nature of stored food materials in the cell, structural organization of the thallus, chemical composition of the cell wall. So the types of pigments present in the cell would be the distinctive feature for the classification of the various algae. A plant requires magnesium for holding cell together, protein synthesis, chlorophyll synthesis, cell wall developments. So a plant requires magnesium for the chlorophyll synthesis, because magnesium plays a role in the chlorophyll synthesis. The overall goal of glycolysis, Krebs cycles, and the electron transport system is the formation of ATP in small stepwise unit. ATP is large oxidation reaction, sugars, nucleic acids. So glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport system are meant for ATP synthesis in different steps, and ATP is the energy currency of the cell. As there we are using rupee as the currency, so for the cell ATP is the currency of the cell. Okay, so correct option is the option number A, ATP in small stepwise units. A high density of elephant population in an area can result in mutualism, intra-specific competition, inter-specific competition, predation on one another. So a high density of any species in an area can result into the intra-specific competition. Okay, intra-specific competition is an important density dependent factor regulating population. Intra-specific competition occurs between the members of the same population. Okay, so let's see the next question. A drop of each of the following is placed separately on 4 slides. Which of the following will not coagulate? Blood plasma, blood serum, sample from the thoracic duct of the lymphatic system, whole blood from pulmonary vein. So blood serum sample will not coagulate. Okay, for a critical study of secondary growth in plants, which one of the following pairs is suitable? Sugarcane and sunflower, teak and pine, deodar and fern, wheat and maidenhair ferns. So the increase in diameter or thickness is due to the formation of secondary tissues as a result of the activities of vascular cambium and cork cambium. The secondary growth is characteristics of dicot stem and root. So here the correct option would be the teak and fine. Okay, so we are done with the today. Thank you and please like, share and subscribe. एंड मिलते हैं अगली बहुत ही नॉलेजेबल इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो में. थैंक यू.